Hi guys, welcome back to a new video. Today we start with the heating. This is an old boiler for gas heating, which was already in the house but hasn't been used for more than 15 years. We had a friend over to have a look at it, but it seems to be damaged. The back of the pump housing is broken, probably because it froze. The rest of it looks good so far, so we will try to find a spare part and our friend can build it in. Hopefully it works then, we will see. But we appreciate it if you would keep your fingers crossed, please. Right now we have a company in which will take the old concrete floor out and put a new one with proper waterproofing in. The last few weeks we were busy taking the old flooring out as much as we could. So if you have missed it, have a look at our other renovation vlogs. We even have a playlist in the right order now, so check it out on our channel if you like.
What we can be, life with no distractions, we'll get away. This is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. With the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Be free. Be free with me. Be free.
A few days later, everything was dried and solid, so we can now proudly present our new concrete floor. Ta-da! We had to take the stairs out for the floor to come in, so we already bought a new set of stairs, but until we are finished renovating, we will put the old ones back in. My brother's going to come to help with that, which is great because he's a really strong guy. Oh, and by the way, we found great tiles for the hallway for a superb price. The concrete floor in the living room is done as well, and my dad put a floorboard there to see how it will look in the future. The wooden floor will be the last thing we do, but it's nice to spark imagination a little bit every now and then, isn't it? macht ihr denn hier? Oh, wir haben ja heute professionelle Hilfe, wa? So here he is, my brother. He's helping occasionally with the heavier stuff, but he lives 4 hours away. So in his holidays, when he comes to visit our parents, we usually have a whole list of things to do for him. Today, my brother and my dad are putting the stairs back in. This is quite a difficult task because the stairs are very heavy and there's not so much space in the hallway to maneuver with this big thing. Let's see how they do it. Sei vorsichtig, Flori. Right, the stairs are back in, my brother is gone, and my dad wants to swap the terrace doors now. Here you can see the massive gap at the bottom. As I said in the last video, the measurements were wrong for the door, and the door frame of this one was quite wobbly, to be honest. It was a good deal on the door, but for daily use, we didn't think it would last that long. So the new door, much stronger, is getting built in now. As much as I would like to have little paw prints in the concrete, my dad is securing the freshly poured concrete with an interesting construction. And the next day everything is dried and the work can continue. It's time for the site inspector, also known as my mom, to have a look and help with tips.
Ist das jetzt die neue Tür?
Das ist die neue Tür. Nummer 4.
Ja, ich wollte gerade sagen, kann ich mich jetzt an diese Tür gewöhnen?
An die kannst du dich gewöhnen, ja.
Wow, it took quite a while to get this door built in properly. My mom is convinced that without her help, he wouldn't have been able to get it done. But you can probably argue about this. Anyway, it's done now and already dark outside. The last thing to do is to seal the gaps with foam filler, but something was wrong with it, so it exploded and made a right mess. The next day, it's all hard and ready to be cleaned away. Although I'm not sure if my dad wants to keep it. Maybe some nice piece of construction art, isn't it? Yeah, now that we've got the new floor, it's a bit lower than before and there's a gap in the insulation which needs to be fixed now. While my dad is doing this, it's time for us to say goodbye for this week. Thank you all for watching and the pleasant live chat during the premiere we probably had. If you enjoyed the video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you want to see how this renovation turns out in the end. We are also looking forward to your comments, tips and opinions. Thanks for your support. Have a great day and we hopefully see each other in the next video. Bye bye.